welcome to another Rosie Your Realtor show. Today we have Tyler Flores with us, a lender here in Clarksville, Tennessee. Hello, Tyler. How are you?
I'm doing well today. How are you?
I'm great. Thanks for coming on here today and sharing some of your knowledge. But first, tell me a little bit about yourself, Tyler.
Where to begin? Since I graduated college, I got into credit management with Wells Fargo, got into banking shortly after, where I managed in residential lending there, small business banking, credit cards, loans, refinances, you name it. And then, so I've been altogether 15 years, been in the industry, but specifically with just residential lending for the last 5 years, where I've been extremely successful in that field. So.
Awesome. Yeah, and I see you recently, was it recently you became the branch manager, right?
I did. I started with Honor Home Loans on January 9th as the branch manager there. So starting with the new company is always, growing pains is learning their systems, what products we offer that help benefit our clients and what our niche is specifically with Honor Home Loans. But yeah, it's been a great transition so far.
Very cool. Awesome. Awesome. So now tell me a little bit about your company and what sets you or your company apart.
Yeah. So Honor Home Loans, we're as committed to customer service. We hire like a mold. We're looking for a specific type of employee that we hire for, from underwriting to processing, loan officers. We want someone that's, extremely organized, customer services, at the forefront of their mind at all times. Really big on communication. It's a big aspect that we look for in terms of hiring someone. But what sets us apart with Honor Home Loans is we try to do a lot to give back to the community, to honor those who help us, first responders, nurses, teachers, of course, active duty veterans. We actually have a special loan developed by Honor Home Loans called the Honor Loan, which we can only give to those specific, individuals, first responders, nurses, teachers, and veterans active duty. But we will waive $1,000 in closing fees for those home buyers. Yeah,
Nice.
it's one benefit that we'll do for them.
Yeah, $1,000 can make a big difference for some people.
Huge difference, huge difference. So
Yeah, absolutely. Awesome. Any quick stories you want to share? Any scenarios that come to
there's a
mind?
million. Well, what I like to say about myself is, that I've again been doing this for going almost 15 years now.
Mhm.
We're not just silo thinkers. We have a group of loan officers here at Honor Home Loans where we think outside the box, find unique, solutions for any type of issue or hair that comes along with the file. So nothing really specific we want to tell you, but yeah, there's just a lot of times where we've just thought outside the box, where we've heard another lender locally was not able to do the loan for them. It gets
Mhm.
passed to us because we like to have a second set of eyes on it. And long and behold, we are able to get that loan approved for that buyer.
Awesome. Awesome. Well, Tyler, if someone needed your service and wanted to reach out to you directly for a loan, what's the best way to do that?
The best way would be to shoot me a text message or phone call. If I don't answer, I'll always just say shoot me an email, because worst case scenario, I'm not on my email at all times because I'm either with customers face to face or doing a meeting or one-on-one with agents locally. But so if I don't answer, shoot me a text, of course, and the email would be the probably the best way if I don't answer, because I will check all my emails by end of business and get back with you within 24 hours.
Awesome. Easy enough. Well,
Yes, ma'am.
perfect. Well, thanks for coming on here today. And I know the lending business is kind of slowed down, but getting ready to pick up again, you'd say?
It's definitely picking up. I mean, it's tax season right now. Everybody's getting their tax refunds, either paying off debts to help increase scores or free up, monthly payments for the debt to income ratios to help qualify. But it is definitely a buying season, and it's still a buyer's market where you'll see a lot of the home buyers are getting some of the closing costs, if not all of it, paid for by the seller. So
Yeah, that's I'm sure been nice for the buyers transitioning back to that, because the previous market we were just in was a little crazy.
it was, and you always hear right now like, oh, I'm gonna wait for the interest rates to get a little lower. I mean, they will get lower in the next year and a half, but it's still a great time to buy. You're still going to see 6 to 8% increase in valuation in homes here in the Clarksville market. So I always tell everybody, you still want to buy when the time does come. Refinance your mortgage in a year and a half from now. You're still going to be in a better position than you were if you're just renting and paying somebody else's mortgage off.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Well, awesome. Well, thank you for coming on here today. We appreciate your time and your knowledge, and we look forward to doing business.
Thank you for having me, Rosie. I really appreciate it.
All right, thank you.